Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the last session, I have discussed about the strangeness quantum number, and after that, we have solved certain interaction problems. These are the six interactions, out of which we have solved these three reactions, and these three I have given it to you in homework. So, let's check whether they are correct or not. So, let's come to the fourth question. Pi plus gives mu plus and neutrino. Okay, muon neutrino. So the charge, if we consider about the charge, then it is plus 1. Okay, and muon plus, so it is plus 1. And since it is neutrino, any neutrino, either it is muon or electron, it is chargeless, so 0. Okay, now left hand side and right hand side both are equal, so the charge is conserved. Okay, now come to muon lepton number. Is it a muon? No, so it is 0. Is it a muon? Yes. So, but it is antiparticle of muon. Okay, so it is -1. I have told you that for the antiparticles, the lepton number is -1. And it is neutrino, not antineutrino, it is neutrino. So, it is 1. Okay, muon lepton number is 1. For antiparticle neutrino, it is -1. Okay, so now see, left hand side it is 0, right hand side it is -1 and +1 equal to 0. So our muon lepton number is also conserved. Okay, now check for baryon number. So is it a baryon? No, it is also not a baryon, and so 0. So baryon number is also conserved. Okay, now check for strangeness. This particle is not strange, so 0. Muon is not also a strange particle, 0. And it is also 0. So we have find that charge, muon lepton number, baryon number and strangeness, all these 4 quantum numbers are conserved. Okay, so this interaction is allowed. Okay, now check for fifth question. Okay, so it is proton and it is neutron, then it is proton gives proton, neutron and antiparticle of proton. Okay, so the charge is +1 for proton, neutron it is 0. Okay, proton again +1, neutron it is 0, and since it is antiparticle of proton, hence the charge is -1. Okay, for antiparticle the charge is opposite to that of a particle. Clear? Now check for lepton number. So it is not a lepton, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0. All these particles are not leptons. So, charge is conserved or not? Firstly, consider about the charge. Here it is +1 and here it is 0. Charge is not conserved. Okay. Charge is not conserved. Now lepton number is conserved. Okay, now check for baryon number. It is a baryon, yeah, so 1. It is also a baryon. Okay, then again 1, again it is a baryon, 1, and it is antiparticle. so minus 1. So in this side it is 2 and this side it is 1. So baryon number is not conserved. Okay. If you find any difficulty while solving the question, please write a comment. Okay. If you find any difficulty, please write. For strangeness, is it a strange particle? No. Neutron? No. No. All these particles are not strange. So the strangeness is conserved. So we have find that charge is not conserved and the baryon number is not conserved. Okay. So if any of the quantum number is not conserved, then that reaction is not allowed, means it is forbidden. Clear? Okay. Now this is our last question. So now consider about the charge. So tau on minus 1, electron minus 1 charge. Okay. Neutrino 0 and 0. Left hand side it is minus 1 and right hand side it is minus 1. Okay. So the charge is conserved. For electron lepton number, it is 0 because it is not an electron. And since it is an electron, so it is 1. It is a neutrino of electron, so it is also 1. And it is 0. So is it conserved? No, because here it is 0 and here it is 2. So the electron lepton number is not conserved. Now check for tau on lepton number. It is a tau on, so it is plus 1, 0, 0 and 1. So left hand side it is 1, right hand side it is 1. So tau on lepton number is conserved. Clear? Now check for baryon. So is it a baryon? No. Is it a baryon? No. It is also not baryon. And it is also not a baryon, so 0. So baryon number is conserved. Clear? Okay. Now we have to check for strangeness. So are these particles are strange? No. So it is 0, then it is 0, then 0, then it is 0. So strangeness is conserved. So strangeness is also conserved. But one quantum number is not conserved, that is electron lepton number. So this reaction is also forbidden. Okay, these are the 6 questions that I have solved. Okay, if you find any difficulty in these questions, please comment. Okay, and sometimes we find it difficult to solve some reactions, so I will also tell you some tricks related to these interactions. So these tricks are: if you find in any interaction that is nucleon and nucleon interaction takes place, okay, you are finding it that all the particles are nucleon, or nucleon or meson interaction is taking place. Okay, so such type of interactions are basically strong interaction. Okay, these are the tricks that tell us that what type of interaction are. Okay, and another trick is, if in any reaction absorption and emission of photon takes place, okay, either photon is absorbed or the photon is released, then such interactions are generally electromagnetic in nature. Okay, clear? And the third trick is, if the decay of strange particles, okay, what? Decay of strange particles takes place, then we will say that such interactions are generally weak interactions. Okay, if we consider this example, then in this example decay is taking place, okay, and but here what? Photon is released. Since the photon is released, so this is our second trick. What type of interaction is this? Electromagnetic interaction. So I think these tricks are helpful to you all. Okay, if you find my videos are helpful to you all, so please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.